Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How is your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, in this artificial intelligence and machine learning series, today we are going to be do our first project, okay? So, now let's start our first project because if you will watch our previous video where we learn how we can try to log in into the PictoBlox, how you can create your account. Okay. So today we are going to be learn our first project, which is, for example, we are going to be classify the image. For example, I have two soft toys. So this is first one, pink one. This is second one. Okay. The purple one. So what we wanted to do, if I will show this purple one in front of camera so that I'm going to be get a result. Okay, this is a purple soft toy. If I will show the pink one in front of camera so that we will get a message. Okay, this is a pink soft toy. Okay, so what you need to do before starting this project, you need to take two toys. Any toy you can take. It's your favorite one. You can try to select your favorite one and then we will start it. Okay. So before starting this project, we will require first we need to try to close the camera because right now, as you can see, my camera is opened here. So you need to try to stop your camera because we will require the actual camera in our project. Okay, so I'm going to be also stop it and then we will start. Okay, so it's very simple. If you remember the previous video, we will try to open the PictoBlox. Okay, this is our first link, PictoBlox AI. Over here we will try to start the first part, which is called as machine learning environment. So we need to first click on this machine learning environment. And once you will click on it, it will ask you, you have to be write your project name. Okay. Like how to create a new project. So as you can see this part, this is something like create a new project. Okay. So we will just try to click on create a new project. We will write our project name. For example, I wanted to write soft toy classification. So this is my project name, which is soft toy classification. Now over here, as you can see, we have a lot of things. The image classifier, object detection, post classifier. We want image. Why? Because we want, like, if I will show my pink toy, so it will say, okay, this is pink. If I will show the purple one, it will going to be say, okay, this is a purple one. Okay. So over here, just select this image classifier, the first option. Then we will click on create a new project. So whenever we are doing a machine learning project, there are few things which is very important. The first one is we will try to gather the data. Gather the data means we will try to collect the data. Data can be in any format. Data can be your image, data can be your audio, data can be your video, any text format. So for today, we have our data as a soft toys, right? So what we will do here, we will click on this first option. Either you can download some images from Google, you can upload it, or you can try to open your camera, you can capture the photos. Like for example, first I will do the purple one. So I will rename it as a purple one. You need to also do this project. If you will get any kind of question, you can um, comment it. Like you can try to write the comments. I will definitely reply you. Okay. Then this is the purple one. I need to click on this web camera. It will ask you, you have to be allow while visiting. So you need to allow it. Now what will happen? Camera will open. Now we have to be show the toy in front of camera, okay, so that it will going to be identify correctly. Like see, you need to click on hold to record, and we will require at least 30 to 40 samples, okay. So we will just try to click on hold to record. As you can see, this is my, I'm going to be for like we record added as a 41 images, okay. Same thing we will try to do for the pink one. So now I'm going to be rename it as a pink. Now same thing we will do over here. We will open the web camera. Now, oh, for my toys, never mind. I don't have one eyes, but we will try this one now. Okay. You need to fix it before capturing the photo. Yes, it's coming now properly. So this is again my 40 samples I added. So this is our, as you can see, first part. Always whenever we are doing the machine learning projects, the first part is always we need to gather the data. So we gather the data. We have a soft toys. One is purple one is pink one. Okay, we rename this as well purple and pink. The second step is we have to be train the model now because we gather the data. Now we are going to be provide the training. So we will click on train model. Once we will start the training, it will start like, as you can see, we have around 80 samples. So it will take little bit of time in order to provide the training, like in order to gather it. So whenever you are getting this hold message, as you can see, your model accuracy is good. Now we can test it. So the first step is we need to gather the data. Second, we need to provide the training. Third, we will test it. Now I will test with the help of web camera. If I will show, see, perfect. You are getting, okay, this is a purple one, as you can see. If I will show pink, wow, you are getting, okay, it's a pink. See, perfect. Now, the next step, we are going to be export the model and we will select the block. So it means first we gather the data, right? We trained it, we tested it. Now we are going to be implement the model. Implement the model means we will convert our training into this PictoBlox. So once you will run the project, you will get it accurately. Okay. So always, if someone know the scratch, they will understand it very well because this is little bit related to the scratch. Because if you remember, if you know the scratch, always we will start with events when flag is clicked. Like when I will click on this flag, I wanted to show some message. What I wanted to show is I will just say, hello, this is my first model. You can try to put one more message. I'm learning, I'm learning image classification. Okay, I'm learning image classification. So as you can see, we added two message now. Once you will scroll down over here, you will get one new thing, which is like machine learning environment. You need to click on it. The first step that we want, once we will run the flag, as you can see, you are getting, hello, this is my first model. I'm learning image classification. Now we will open the camera window so that what will happen, it will going to be analyze your images. Like what, like let me run it. You are getting, hello, this is my first model. I'm learning image classification. As you can see, my camera is open, right? See, and this is identifying this as a purple. Camera is open. and we are analyzing this image from the web camera. Okay. Now, let me close it. After that, once we will analyze this camera, okay, the next thing that we want is when purple is predicted. Like when our model will get the purple color, we will try to say something like, we will go to the looks, we will just say, hello, this is purple soft toy. And the second thing we want is, I wanted to change this background as a purple color. It's very simple. I will just go to this backdrop option. Let me see, do we have any purple color? Otherwise, we will try to build it. Okay, I want this heart. And we want one pink also. So for pink, it's see totally your choice. Suppose for pink, is there any pink backdrop? Okay, we can take this bedroom. Now see, when purple is predicted, we will say, hello, this is purple soft toy. And I wanted to switch this backdrop to heart one because heart is the basically purple. Next, we want is when pink is predicted, like when we will predict the pink. Okay, so again we wanted to say something, so for that just go to the looks, try to add hello, this is pink soft toy. And now we wanted to change the backdrop as bedroom. Wow, perfect. Let's start now. Once I will run the project, if I will click on the flag, as you can see, you are getting hello. This is my first model. This is the purple one. If I will show pink, see for pink, it's let me run it one more time. So whenever you will run it first time or second time, try to run it more than 3 to 4 times. Okay. See, I'm learning. Wait, let me close it now. We will try to run that one more time. When flag is clicked, we will try to set. We will switch the backdrop to the backdrop one. See, hello, this is purple soft toy. I'm learning images, right? Okay, let's start now. See, hello, this is purple soft toy. You are getting purple background. So this is pink soft toy and you will get the pink one. So it's working fine. Okay. What you have to do, you need to start the project. If you will get any kind of issue after doing the project, you can comment me so that definitely I will reply you. Or else you can mail me. If you can see there is a email ID, you can try to mail me so that I will reply you. Okay. Once you will finish your project, always you need to go to the file and you need to save to your computer. So what will happen if power failure will happen or any other issue, so that you are able to open your project again? How you can open it? Again, you need to go to the file, load from your computer, and you can try to open your file. So in this way, you can try to do your first project, which is image classification. Whatever toys you have, if you have any fruit or if you have anything, you can try to take, if you want classification between three objects, you can try to create three classes. Okay. You can try to gather your data 3 times. So after that, what will happen? You are able to get your result properly. Okay. So please try to do this project. Till that, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And you can share this video with your friends as well so that they can also try to create this project. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Take care.